Hey guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com here. These Del Monte fruits are on sale BOGO this week at $2.13. This is for the weekly sale beginning 11/13. Here it is, 11/13 to 11/19 or 11/14 to 11/20. Buy 4 at $4.26. Use one of the 75-cent off 4 printable coupon, which I will put the link to above or below this video depending on where you're watching it, and pay just a mere 88 cents a can. I always buy these when they're BOGO for my husband because he likes ambrosia. I mean, he'll eat these just out of the can. But they're great for ambrosia for upcoming holiday parties. So I will put the link to the coupon below. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like and share this video. Happy couponing. I'm going to show you all the canned fruits that are included because I know everybody makes different recipes for the holidays. Happy couponing.